Should you invest at all-time highs? Is investing at all-time highs wise? I'm Danny Clark at Solidarity Wealth, and I've been getting that question a lot recently, especially when the market is making headlines like it is today. Record highs have a way of making people hesitate because nobody wants to feel like they're buying at the top. But here's something that gets often overlooked in that hesitation. All-time highs are not rare events in healthy markets. They're actually a normal feature of long-term growth. When you look at market history, what you find is that markets tend to spend a lot of time making new highs, and more often than not, those highs are followed by even more highs. That doesn't mean markets move in a straight line. They don't. Pullbacks, corrections, even bear markets are all part of the deal. But the long-term direction has been driven by innovation, productivity, and earnings growth. That is what pushes markets forward over time. The bigger mistake we see isn't investing at all-time highs. It's waiting on the sidelines for a better entry point that just never quite shows up. I've seen this pattern time and time again. People wait for a pullback, markets move higher, and they end up either investing later at a higher price or missing a meaningful stretch of compounding altogether. Timing the market consistently is incredibly difficult, even for professionals. That's why we focus more on time in the market, not perfect timing. Now, that doesn't mean you ignore risk or throw discipline out the window. Your strategy still does matter, and it doesn't exist in a vacuum. Diversification, cash flow needs, taxes, and your long-term goals all need to work together. For someone building long-term wealth, especially business owners and executives with complex balance sheets, investing is rarely about one single moment in the market. It's more about building a plan that works across many different environments. Markets will hit new highs again in the future, and when they do, the same question will come up. The real question isn't, is the market at an all-time high? It's, do I have a strategy that's aligned with where I'm going? And can I stick with it when headlines get loud? That is where strategic planning and steady decision-making tend to win over time. If this question has crossed your mind, it makes sense. This is the kind of thing we help clients with every single day. So if you want a second opinion on your strategy, reach out to our team at Solidarity Wealth.